Welcome to your new kitchen companion, the GreenLife Rice Cooker, featuring a removable PFAS-free ceramic nonstick pot for healthy cooking. This compact multi-cooker effortlessly prepares up to 6 cups of cooked rice, perfect for family meals or gatherings. Its simple one-touch operation lets you choose between white or brown rice with ease. The cool touch handles and heat-resistant exterior make it safe and convenient to use. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to dishwasher-safe, removable parts, and a non-stick interior derived from natural sand. Precise measuring lines ensure perfect water-to-rice ratios every time, while the automatic keep warm function keeps your meal ready to serve. Plus, essential accessories like a measuring cup and rice paddle make cooking even smoother. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.